In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join for free on Patreon Creator. We're going to walk through the process in a simple and straightforward way so you can follow along easily. If you've never used Patreon before, Patreon is a platform where creators share content, updates, and community perks with their audience. Some creators offer paid memberships, but others also provide a free option that lets you follow their work and stay connected without entering any payment details. To get started, go to Patreon in your web browser. Once the site loads, make sure you're on the main Patreon page and ready to browse. It helps to be signed in already, but if you're not, you can still begin by navigating through the site until you reach the creator page you want to visit. Next, look over to the left-hand panel and click the Explore icon. This is the area that helps you discover creators across different categories and interests. If you're not sure where to find a specific creator right away, the Explore section is useful because it gives you a clear path to browse available profiles and content. Take your time here and make sure you're in the correct section before moving on. From there, select the creator you want to join. This will open that creator's page, where you can see more about what they share on Patreon. Depending on the creator, you may see membership options, posts, previews, or community information. The important thing here is to confirm that you're on the right creator page before continuing, especially if there are multiple creators with similar names or content styles. Once you're on the creators page, look for the Join for Free button and click it. This is the option that allows you to follow the creator without purchasing a membership tier. After selecting it, Patreon may prompt you to sign in or complete a quick account step if you haven't already. Just follow the on-screen instructions to finish joining, and that's it. You've successfully joined a Patreon creator for free. This is a great way to stay updated on their posts and announcements while exploring what they offer before deciding whether you want to support them with a paid membership later on. If you're following along on your own screen, just move slowly through each page and double check each selection as you go. That will help you avoid clicking into the wrong profile or membership option.